Hi friends, this is Mrs. Flores. I put together this presentation for you friends. It is about what we have been working in class, decomposing and composing numbers. In today's lesson, we will do 5 things. Number 1, we will learn how to decompose and compose numbers within 10. Number 2, we will study diamond cards and find different ways to decompose and compose a number. Number 3, we will have in-class discussion and questions and go over any questions you might have. Number 4, we will look at more diamond cards and analyze them. So we will look at them and think about, how can I break this number up? Or what two groups can I make to put together that make this number? Number 5, we will review the class assignment. Your mission, friends, you will learn how to decompose and compose numbers within 10. You will be able to explain your reasoning. Some key points, friends. Here are 4 questions that you can ask yourself, and I went ahead and attached some really fun videos that will help you understand these questions. Question number 1, what is decomposing and composing numbers? So it says, if you click here, it'll take you to let me go ahead and press this, make this on view mode. There we go. So if we click on it, friends, it'll take you to a super fun video.
If you're a college student, keep watching. One of my least favorite things about writing papers in college is remembering the correct format for my site.
Over. There it is, friends. Here is a nice song regarding composing numbers and decomposing numbers.
Today, I'm going to talk to you about numbers and composing and decomposing numbers and maybe even apples. Huh, I really like apples. So, composing is a large word. Composing! And it's what happens when little numbers come together to make a bigger number. And decomposing is an even larger word. Decomposing! And that is what happens when a bigger number is taken apart into little numbers. And there are many, many, many different ways to put numbers together and take them apart. I will show you with an example. Here.
All right, friends. And the video is about 4 minutes and 48 seconds long. It's super fun. So make sure you check it out and watch the whole video, friends. Okay, and then there's another question. What are addition and subtraction equations? So once again, friends, if it says click here, it'll take you to a super
4 minus 2 equals 2.
Sorry, friends, I'm gonna wind it.
Kids Music Kids!
There's our friend, Mr. Jack Hartman, and he will see.
When you add, you put together. When you add, you get the sum. It's taking 2 or more numbers and getting a greater one. Adding is called addition. When you subtract.
All right, friends, I'm going to go ahead and go back to our presentation. The third question, how to show numbers in different ways. So remember, friends, just click here and it'll take you to a super fun video.
Jack Cartman! Kids Music Kids!
That question, okay, friends? And there's our friend Jack Cartman. One more time, friends.
Numbers, numbers every place. I can show numbers in so many ways. I can show 3 as a numeral, like this.
Okay, friends, I'm just going to pause that video, friends, and I'm going to go on to our next question. What are number bonds? Remember, we had been practicing helping us figure out how do the number bonds help us with our addition and subtraction problems. Once again, click here and it'll take you to a super fun video.
Jack Cartman! Kids Music Kids!
Number bonds that make 10. I know my number bonds, they help my math stay strong.
All right, friends. So once again, make sure you check out those awesome videos. Okay, and let me just take this off present mode. Here we go, friends. Going back to our presentation. I also included 3 important songs. I really love these songs, friends. I have the addition song, subtraction song, and the 10 frame song. So once again, friends, just click on the wording addition song and it'll take you to an addition song. I should wait a few seconds to bypass.
Sorry, I'm not a
this
magician.
advertisement, friends.
Well, I got a new dog and I named her Addition. She loves to eat food, so she lives in the kitchen. She takes all the food from each closet and drawer. She eats all that food, but she always wants more. My parents were angry.
And then we have the subtraction song. Let me show you just a bit, friends.
Subtraction, minus, eight. What you gonna make smaller today?
And then our final song, the 10 frame song. There's the rubber ducky again.
Last Monday in my classroom, we played a cool new game. And now I'll show you what it was. It was a little dance frame. It has a top and bottom. It has 10 colored dots. And it's so cool to count them. It really teaches lots. My dance frame has rows of 5, so won't you?
Okay, friends, going back to our presentation here. And that's it. So thank you, friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson regarding decomposing and composing numbers. Remember, we will be working on this lesson in the class. And then don't forget that you can use this presentation to help you remember all of the important things we are learning regarding decomposing and composing numbers. Okay, friends, this is really important information. So please make sure you check out all of these videos and then show your parents as well. Okay. I will see you in class. Thank you, friends. Bye.